What's up, guys? Day 3 of the Masters. We had a big block yesterday. I went like 50 over to get to 90. Kevin.
We is in you. I shot 130.
We is in me. Kevin.
Shot 130, and then I went like plus 20 the next 4. And we're fine, but it was not the second block I wanted.
Yeah, so we both got a bowl decent this block. But anyways, yeah, we're going to Gold Coast right now. We're walking there, and both got a bowl decent. Today's the burn, which is
gonna be brutal.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little nerve-wracking to bowl in the burn.
So I drove 4 bowling balls.
And hopefully the burn doesn't kill us. Grind the first game. Big grind. Shot 197 with a bunch of spares and strikes the back half, but started with reactive, and then I took my urethane balls out of the trash can, put them back on the rack where they belong, and that's where I'll be living the rest of the block with my urethane balls. I lied to all of you guys after the first game saying I was going to only throw urethane today. Urethane went broke on the first 3 shots. Couldn't throw it anymore. Went back to the power torque. Bailed out like 2-0, or 210. So hopefully more 210s. That's what we need. Throwing all the urethane balls back in the garbage. Alright, so I'm here in the hotel room, and if you guys are wondering why is Packy popping in from the hotel room midway through this video, it's because I forgot to mention our chase for 50K subs. And I don't know if we can get there if the numbers look like this, because I need some of you guys to just help me out if you want. I don't need, I need true fans only. So try and change this number to maybe like 50%, and then we'll get to 50K subs like basically right away. So true fans only, sub to the channel, help us get to 50K, keep following along for awesome videos like this one. But yeah, let's get back to bowling. These lanes are tight. Hey, Christian. So I shot 237 last game, gave me a nice bump in the plus direction, and now we flip-flop pins. Yesterday it didn't go so hot. Today, hoping to make some adjustments earlier and keep a little more in front of me, a little straighter, not have to throw urethane. But I might, who knows? My man Kevin, he needs a little help. He needs a little bump. Struggling today. He needs a little bump up. I just need one more game. Just one more alright game. Doesn't even need to be good, just needs to be okay. Do this. big peen.
Yeah.
Big
I don't know if it's
peen.
enough.
What are you at?
64.
There's too many people just barely behind you for it not to be.
Oh, dude. Polished up raw hammer, baby.
Oh my God, solid or pearl?
Solid.
No.
For 230.
230 the last game to get to 64
over.
over.
That would have been like high game in the building last game.
I will say, I think that
What'd Kevin get to?
we're not going to talk about that. I saw the Crumbler Big Four. You made fun of me for the Crumbler Big Four.
Oh,
That was
Crumble at 7-9.
what?
Upper deck.
Crumble is 7-9. I saw 8 pins on the deck. What do you mean 7-9? Rolling.
All right, guys. So go to we'll go to my channel, Trevor Roberts. Hit the subscribe button for ball reviews, live streams.
You can't get Storm Ball reviews here. You can get them there.
Yeah, get them here, Trevor Roberts. Yeah, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it.
I got a request to put more Chad on camera.
More Chad?
They said we need more Chad Roberts.
Me?
We need more Chad. That's what they said.
Who's they?
The people have spoken.
The people? Who are the people?
I don't know,
Your
but
people?
there's like literally 3 people in the comment section saying we need more Chad Roberts.
I'm okay with that.
They said it, not me. I mean,
So I'm like,
how we at right now? Are we balling good? We're balling good.
well, okay.
What are we at? Like
98 over.
I was 99 go over coming in. How you feel about that? I'm at minus 12, so you're already ahead of me.
Yeah. Well, we'll say I ended the day yesterday with a bucket, and the 8 fell into the 2, and left the 4-5 to finish the day, so...
We ended on a sour note.
Yeah.
Are we going to start on a good one?
Oh, yeah. We're on the end pair, so I don't have to walk very far out of the paddock, so... Looking forward to that.
All right, channel, time to guess whose ball this is.
I squeeze the shit out of it. Sometimes rip it out. You know? Remember I told you.
Can we preach the merch right now?
You guys like my shirt?
Yeah, what's it say?
Join the Alpha Team, Teammate Bagger.
That's right.
All right, so we got 1 game left. I'm safe, but Kevin actually has a chance right now. Jake Peters got a chance. He's at 29 over. It's going to be an interesting last game. Toby Sambueno's 37 over. Peters is 29 over. Repping the USA jersey. I bet Peters shoots 220. I bet he gets in. 220.
Hey, at Team USA trials, day 5, he shot 300 on the end to pretty much make the squad. So I'm fully expecting 250 or better out of Peters.
In this building.
Absolutely. Lock
Jake
it.
Peters to clutch up. Here we go. He's in. He's in.
He's in. I'm telling you, 250 soft, the most clutch bowler of all time.
Like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever. But I can never ask for better. I really couldn't ask for better, yeah. I said the party won't last forever. Life is short, you know?